What's up and welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneurs and business owners. So in today's video, I'll give you 3 free and easy Facebook Live ideas in order for you to get leads. So be sure to stay all the way until the end. Facebook Live is really important now because the organic reach on Facebook page has decreased tremendously over the years. So in order for you to get more reach organically, Facebook Live is extremely essential. So in today's video, we're gonna dive straight into the 3 free and easy Facebook Live ideas. The first one is actually authority. Authority video creation. What does authority video creation mean? Simply means that video that actually educates people. When you are going on live, you want to be demonstrate that you are an expert in your industry, in your niche. So you want to be educating people in terms of whether or not you are an insurance agent today. You want to educate people why having an insurance is so important today. Because a lot of times, the majority of the people do not wake up the next morning and be like, I'm going to get life insurance today. Hardly anyone who will wake up the next morning and tell themselves they need medical card, they need a life insurance. Same goes to even if you're a network marketer today, if you're selling health supplements, you want to be educating all your viewers, all your targeted audience in terms of why having a health supplements is important. How are you going to address their concern? You need to be showing what are the myths in your industry, why is it so important having the product and services that you're having, they're just selling right now. If they do not have the product and services that you're selling right now, then what is the outcome that they are going to face? Here's an example of one of the live streams that I've done that are kind of authority live video creation, which means I'm actually educating people because I'm helping agents and business owners to get more leads. So in this particular video, I'm actually educating business owners and agents on how to actually let people to buy more of your product. So you need to be going on live, sharing something that is educational so that people they go from an unawareness stage to buying a product and services from you. If you want to know how your customers actually buy from you in terms of going through a customer journey, be sure to check out this video here after watching this. You're going to learn the step-by-step on how a customer actually buys from you. But it all starts from getting them aware that they need your product and services, because chances are when you are showing up yourself on social media, people don't even know that they need your product and services because they are unaware that they are having a problem. So through this kind of videos that is educating them, you are actually demonstrating why they need the product and services. Otherwise, they're gonna have certain XYZ outcome. So that's the first one that you want to be doing. Second live video that you can be doing is actually a live interview. Live interview is something that I recently did with one of my followers. Live interview is very, very crucial and very easy in terms of if you're someone that doesn't really have an idea on what to say on a live event, all you need to do is just to invite an expert. So let's say you want to be going on Facebook Live, but you have no idea on what to say today. All you need to do is just to find out who are the experts in your industry that matches with the audience that you are targeting, so that whenever you are trying to interview them, they are the one that is bringing up their expertise. They are the one that is actually telling you their expertise and sharing their expertise to you. You're not really telling people at what you're doing and all this. All you are doing is just asking questions. You're asking the experts questions. So instead, you're actually collaborating with all these experts. Not only it will boost your organic reach, it's easier on your side as well because you just need to be asking a certain questions to all these experts. So it's very easy in terms of when you are collaborating with this kind of experts. So live interview is something that I did recently. I'm gonna put a picture here. So this picture is recently that I went on live with one of my very first mentees that I used to coach one-on-one with. I went on live with him and my intention is actually to let my audience know why is it so important to have online marketing. And my point is because my mentee is having a very traditional family business, and I know that my audience are business owners or agents who have been using the traditional marketing methods. So when I invite my audience, this expert, and he is also one of my students, back then when I used to coach one-on-one, it actually brings to the audience on, hey, this is actually something that this person is saying. It's not coming from me. He is the one who is saying it. So it let the audience know that, oh, so this is actually what it's all about. Now I know that online marketing is important from another person's point of view, from another person's expertise. It's not necessary from you. So in your case, all you need to do is just to form a few questions and interview that. And this is very good for those of you who are just starting out. You have no idea on what to say. All you need to do is just to collaborate so it doesn't make the entire situation awkward. In the case that when you do not know what to say, you don't pause at all this because you're having two person. It's kind of like a casual conversation. When a person stops saying something, you can be asking questions or you can join the conversation and collaborate together and you speak together so it doesn't make the situation very awkward, especially when you're new, you have no idea what to say on the Facebook Live. This is really, really crucial when it's building up your organic reach because when two person collaborate, not only you're notifying their audience, you're also notifying audience that, hey, I'm actually collaborating with someone else. This feels like something new. Oh, maybe that person they have not known of, they want to hear from a third person point of view. So this is something that you can be doing. And do remember that whatever live stream you are doing today, it has to have a call to action, which means the live stream that you're doing, it has to match with the product and services you are selling today. So for me, let's say I'm actually having the intention of bring my audience to my webinar. So for those of you who are watching this one, again, if you haven't joined my free live masterclass, be sure to check out the comment section down below and be sure to join my upcoming free masterclass if you want to know how to get leads on autopilot. If that's something that you would like to discover, do click the link down below. So whatever live stream that you're doing, you need to be actually baiting your audience to the thing that you want to be selling. So let's say you're baiting them to your lead magnet. So your entire live stream has to have something that links towards the lead magnet. So after you have actually done the live stream, you'll be like, hey, you want to be checking this one out. So be sure to click the link down below to actually opt into my lead magnet, to actually join my free training. The whole thing has to make sense. If your live stream doesn't make sense with your core offer, then when you are presenting your offer, your audience will feel kind of weird that they don't know what is this all about, or you're just truly baiting them. So it has to make sense. Whatever live stream that you're doing, it has to make sense to the offer that you eventually want to bring it up to them. The third thing that you want to be doing is to have a storytelling Facebook Live. Storytelling Facebook Live is something that I do very, very often. Storytelling is just basically you going on live to share your journey. Like for me, usually I'll go on live like this and I will share my struggles of having like 3 failed launches and what I've done to have 1 big successful launch. What I've done in the past, because people do not want to see you only as an expert who only knows how to educate them. They want to see you as a real human being that, hey, I'm actually once like you, I'm struggling as well. I'm not a real estate agent. I used to be struggling when it comes to real estate as well. You want to showcase to people that you are a real human being, that you have your own struggle as well. And that's how people connect with people, because we are ultimately in a people relationship. There are so many agents and business owners selling the exact same product and services as you. The only way for you to differentiate all this thing is not by telling them that my product and services are different, because let's be frank here, they are all the same. The only way for you to differentiate yourself is by your story. So if I share my story out that I used to fail in my retail business, I was once a unit trust consultant that failed to do marketing as well, because I used to cold call 100 times every day. I used to door-to-door knock, and when you guys hear my story, you feel that I resonate with you. It's because I am sharing with you my story. I'm not only sharing with you your success journey. People don't really remember a success journey, but they always remember your struggling journey. And that's how people connect with you, because they need to see your vulnerable side. They need to see that you are a real human being, and they want to see that how they can do it too. If you're always showing yourself as the CEO of the business, as the boss of the business, as someone that is so great and expert in whatever I do, then people can never ever resonate with you, and then you will be the same as the typical agents and business owners out there, and you can't stand out from the competition. So in order for you to stand out from the competition and build your personal brand, storytelling is extremely important. And storytelling, to be frank with you, is very easy to do. All you need to do is just to go on live like this with a camera And then just start telling your story. Why are you in this journey? Why are you a network marketer today? Why are you selling the health supplement today? Was this anything that you have been through, the struggling journey that you've been through that made you and caused you to be doing what you're doing today? You're here in this journey because you have a mission. It's not because you want money. Money is one thing, but why do you want money today? You need to feed your family. Okay, why do you need to feed your family today? You need to go deep into the why and be really transparent to share it with your audience, because when you lower down yourself, people really like it when you share your struggling journey. I get it, some of you might be thinking that no one wants to hear like struggling journey. Will I actually lower down myself and destroy my personal brand? That was used to what I think. But then when I have done Facebook live stream for over 100 times right now in just a couple of months, I realized that people really, really love it when you share your struggling journey. So usually I would actually rotate among these 3 Facebook live ideas. So you want to sharing your authority live creation video where you educate your audience. Second, you need to be going on live interview. This is very perfect for those of you who are beginner, you have no idea what to say. All you need to do is just to invite an expert and interview the expert. Third, it's a storytelling Facebook live stream. And these 3 types will be able for you to actually build your authority, and this is how you can actually get more leads and increase your exposure organically. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.